Alright, we got the '05 Tacoma here. Gonna be doing some headlights. Got these headlights thrown right here from Tacoma Beast. We're not sponsored by them or anything. Just letting you guys know where to get it if you like it. So, as you can see, it's definitely time. We need headlights. Alright, so to pull these headlights after you get the hood up, looks like we're gonna have two 10s and a clip on each side. And these clips, you can just use a flathead, and obviously you can use just a Phillips on these if you want to, but I would just use a 10. So let's knock that out real quick. And then we got these two clips, one on each side. You can drop them like that. Definitely tell these are a little old. There you go. Alright, so after you get your 10s out, you got the clips down here on the side. And then down inside there, you can see this clip. And it's kind of just like a little ear that pops through there. And once you get those done, you got one on each side on the lower side of the headlight. And then you're going to have this clip here in the center. And it's kind of more or less just a guide. So I got mine all the way off. I'm just going to show you what these clips look like. So you can see it's just this ear. You kind of got to push that in there. And they're a little tough, but once you get them, then the grill actually just comes straight up. Alright, next you're going to have these clips right here. You got this little spacer type deal that runs along the bottom side of the headlight. So you got one clip right there. Alright, so next you're going to have this clip down here. Once you get that done, then you got the two 10s up top. Alright, so we pulled these out without pulling the bumper cover. For the bolt that's on the inside, far over here, you can actually just stick your hand on the bottom side over at the wrench and get to that. And take that off so you don't have to undo the bumper cover. And then as far as the harness goes, you're going to unplug your signal out. You're going to keep that for this new set. We're going to take the bulb out of the marker light because that'll be LED on the new setup. And then you're just going to unplug and leave your high and low in the old headlight because the new setup has the two separate bulbs that are already pre-wired and everything, and they just plug right into this. And then as far as getting it out, once you get everything broke loose, this piece in the bottom that goes under the headlight, this piece right here, it pulls out, and there's kind of like a little clip here, and these are kind of brittle. I mean, it's older, so they're a little brittle, so just be gentle with it. But it pulls off this one right here pulls off the headlight kind of on a forward angle, and this one just pulls out of the fender, you know, straight towards the center. So it's kind of a goofy little deal, but it's pretty easy to get undone. Lights. So this guy, you'll probably want to run some dielectric grease or something like that with the connections, because these connections just slide in. They don't snap, or there's no kind of waterproofing or anything. So I'll run a zip tie on these, and then I'll come back later and put some dielectric grease on them just to help waterproof them. You got this guy up here for your little marker light, and it just you just pull the old bulb out, and you plug this new one in, and take this tape off, and then this new light will just plug in here. And then that guy goes down in there. This one's kind of a pain to get twisted in, but be patient with it. This one actually was easier than the other side. So now that we got that done, then I'll throw this turn signal in here. That's the last one to go in. Maybe. Yeah, that should be right. There we go. Alright, that's tight. And these are a lot thinner than the OEM headlights, so these actually go in there really nicely. And there's not a whole lot of trying to figure out where things go. And that's pretty much that. And then you're just going to throw your screws back in, and everything will be good to go from there. Alright, so here they are, all done, put back together. Real smooth installation and definitely an upgrade. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and help me build this channel. We'll catch you guys on the next one.